Hey everybody, Amanda here. In this quick segment, we're going to talk about the importance of having an optimized and active Google Business profile in 2022, especially if your business relies on local customers to stay afloat. I've been talking to a lot of local business owners and I'm shocked by the number of companies who don't utilize their Google Business profile. Granted, Google Business has come a long way in the last few years, but during this little hiccup we've been dealing with, local searches have increased tremendously, and Google has done a lot to give small businesses the tools they need to improve their local visibility. According to Search Engine Watch, 50% of consumers who use their cell phones to search for local businesses wind up visiting a storefront. Can you fathom the sales potential you could generate simply from organic search in Google Business, given that pretty much everyone nowadays owns a smartphone? Registering, verifying, and correctly optimizing your Google Business profile is a priceless resource, which is why you need to make use of it to the fullest. So what else can Google Business Profile do for you? Here are some additional advantages of Google Business Profile. It enables your business to appear in maps and in local pack listings. When you search through Google, a big map and a list of company names appear at the very top of the screen. This is known as the local pack, and there are two key reasons why you should be aware of it. Number one, it is extremely visible. The local pack occupies a lot of space on Google's page 1 results, and it's the first thing every Google user sees after typing in their search request. It allows users to see important information at a glance. The local pack is a search engine results page that lists those locations that are relevant to your search. It also provides a slew of other useful info that any potential consumer may want to know, such as where it is on a map, the business's phone number in case customers have extra questions or they want to make a fast reservation, find out store hours, and even see your business's star rating. It's a useful feature for both the company and the customers. Number two, it allows people to leave public feedback for your company. Customer reviews are extremely powerful, especially when it comes to search engine rankings. According to another Moz study, web reviews are considered to account for 10% of how search engines rank listings. As a result, if you want your business to be seen in search results, you have to use Google Business Profile to make it easy for your customers to submit good reviews about your company. Here are some more reasons why you should encourage happy customers to post reviews. Reviews boost local SEO. Many people rely on customer reviews to make a buying decision. Actually, internet reviews may influence up to 93% of customers. To put it another way, pretty much all of them. This is because these tiny blocks of text are experiences from genuine customers who are not compensated by your business to advertise their product or service. As a result, people assume they're more trustworthy and put more faith in what they say. Before picking a local business, an increasing number of people look at customer reviews. Search engines use reviews to rank search results because people enjoy reading them. If you use this feature correctly, it can have a significant influence on your company. Reviews boost sales. Positive feedback is important. They not only boost your search engine position, but they also function as free and credible advertising for your products and services. Customers, for example, are more likely to test a product with a high number of favorable ratings than one with a high number of negative comments. It's important to attain positive feedback, but keep in mind that even the greatest businesses receive terrible reviews. If this happens to you, address it appropriately. Take these critiques with a grain of salt. Put them to good use by improving your goods or services. Negative reviews, when used correctly, can give you vital information to help your business grow. Reviews show what customers think of your company. Reviews give business owners an idea of how customers perceive their brand. They enable you to see how customers react to what you're offering, what tactics you should continue, what things you should change, or where you can improve. Reviews, whether positive or negative, can help you better understand what your customers think. Analyze them logically and take them into account when moving your business forward. Google Business Profile offers insights that will provide you with useful information. Google Business is a useful tool for every local business. It not only advertises your products or services, but it also assists you in further understanding the market. What makes this possible? Google Business has sophisticated tools that give insights into key areas to help you develop plans and make decisions. This tool gives you access to data and insights that can help you figure out where your visitors are coming from. Views. Google Business can let you know how many people have seen your company profile, images, or post. This is especially crucial for determining the success of your campaigns, if they're performing well and drawing the interest you desire, or if they aren't accomplishing anything at all. Search queries. Google Business gives you a report that allows you to fully comprehend how people are finding your company. It reveals how people are searching for your listing, specifically which phrases they use to find you. Understanding which keywords are related to your online presence can help you considerably increase revenue. You could, for example, dominate relevant long-tail keywords to significantly boost traffic to your sites. This information is all available through Google Business. Engagement. Google Business can tell you exactly how your audience is responding to your content. It allows you to observe what sorts of content people share and what kinds of comments they make. This way, you'll have a better sense of the sorts of materials that perform best for your company. Audience. Google Business includes an area where you can see a breakdown of the profile of those following you. You'll be able to see their age groups, gender, and even where they're from. All of these are useful when developing a strategy. Clicks on your website. Google Business can also tell you how many people have clicked on your webpage. Understanding the stats and quantifying the data can help us to create solid plans of attack. Take some time to analyze the data if you want to increase engagement rates, web traffic, and company revenue. Google Business is free and simple to use. Regardless of how beneficial a product is, its value will not be reached if it's outrageously expensive, inconvenient, or hard to use. Thankfully, this isn't an issue with Google Business. This efficient method is free and simple to use, so even new businesses can benefit from it. It takes just a few hours to create and verify your profile, and there's even some tools that can help quickly verify you. Once you're done, you're all set to dominate Google's first page. You also receive excellent tools for analyzing performance and determining methods to increase your company's visibility. Google Business Profile makes it simple for new and small businesses to market themselves online by improving their exposure and increase their likelihood of appearing at the top of search results. It can make it easier for potential clients to find and call you. Google Business Profile is a free online tool that you can use to boost your internet presence, engage with your customers, and raise your company's profitability.